Yo, it's Tapped In Tevo. We are out here at Soy 6, y'all. Let me tell you, bro. I wish y'all could have just seen how many girls was on me and my brother just now, bro. Like, personally, it's too aggressive for me, bro. It's just too aggressive, man. And like back home, I feel like the girls there, they ain't got shit on the girls out here, bro. Bruh, did you just witness that with me, bro?
Yeah, I just seen it.
Bro, I can't believe that shit, bro. But look, y'all, this is Soy 6. This is the famous street here in Thailand, man. Whenever it comes to all the females and stuff like that in Thailand, this is the street that you want to come down for all the thirst buckets.
So, would you go back up? Would you go back up there again?
Hell no, I ain't going back, my bro, because they was just disrespecting, bro. They was violating, grabbing my Johnson and everything, bro. So I say, hell no, I can't do it, bro. Let's walk this way, bro. Let's walk this way.
You don't want
Soy 6.
You don't want girls to grab you?
I do, but not like the way they was doing it, bro. They way too aggressive with that shit, man. And it's like me, I'm a laid back. I done smoked me a little Wiz Khalifa L. I ain't with all of that, bro. So I'm just trying to walk the beach, check out the ladies over here, and and keep it copacetic this way, bro. But they too aggressive, man. I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. That's more like your speed. I can't do it. Nah, I'm playing. But y'all, right now we walking down, what's this, Pattaya Beach?
Yeah,
Strip? Pattaya, whatever you want to say. This is the strip right here, man. This is the infamous strip. So if y'all ever come out to Thailand, this is a must visit. So you come to Thailand, this is a must visit, y'all. Check us out, man. Check us out. How you doing? But yeah, man, we here, bro. Thailand. Show them the beach, man. Show them the beach. Look, it's a vibe, man. They chilling, man. Thumbs up. They chilling. Put them on the vlog, man. We out here. Shots. Cheers. Give me, Trent. Cheers. Music? No, you good. Cheers, man. See, it's a vibe out here, y'all. Y'all will never for me. Alright, give me right then. Give me right, man. Put me on the music, man. Give me right, y'all.
Give me light.
What y'all like? What kind of music y'all listen to?
Okay.
Go. Hey. Y'all gotta dance too? Yeah. See, man, it's a vibe out here, man. It's just a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, man. Whoa, dang. You killed that? Man, hey. Cameraman. It's a vibe, right?
Wow.
It's too lit, man. You will never see any activity like this on Myrtle Beach, Virginia Beach, no beaches, Miami Beach. It don't matter what beach you on. You ain't gonna see no activity like this on no beach in the United States. So that's just how we rocking, man. People fuck with us out here, man. We just got good energy, good vibes. People gravitate to us. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of the little things that's out here. I don't know. They don't like to be on camera too much now. How you doing? Yeah, they don't like to be on camera too much. So, how you doing? You good? Yes. See? Bro, it's different. Nah, she is. Got my Thailand flag here. People hanging out on the beach, man. Just vibing and chilling, bro. But if y'all ever want to come to Thailand, man, this is a must-do strip. This strip right here is a must-come by. You have to come by to experience this, man, because it's...
What do you like about this, though, bro? Is it just the girls, or...?
Nah, I ain't gonna say I like the girls, but it's just the vibes and the energy.
Or you just, come out here?
I feel like they just gravitate to me because they know I'm that nigga and you that nigga, so it's just like... They
Tapped In Tevo.
Tapped In Tevo, bro. They know, bro. It's in the universe.
Yeah.
It's in the universe. It's in the stars. So it's like when we walk past them, what they do? They just started turning up with us and gave us a drink. He said cheers. So bro, it's just the energy, man. But look across the street, man. Look across the street. Look at this club. It's a vibe, man. It's just chill. Everybody just cooling out, chilling, man. I swear, like, ain't no other country I feel like Asia, bro, and Thailand, man. Thailand is goated. Hey, goated. Take the cake.
Any other countries?
No, I haven't. But shit, at this point, what they say, if you go to Thailand, you don't need to go to no other countries in the world, bro, because Thailand is the one, bro. So, hey, that's just how I'm feeling about it, bro. That's how I'm feeling about it. We're gonna cross over the street, check out this little bar. I don't know, it look kind of dead over there, though, Trent. What you think, brother?
Anything is alive when you come around.
Okay, say less. I like that. He said anything is alive when we come around. Anything get live when we come around. Let's get on this side of the street and walk. Come on, we got this. Now, when it comes to Thailand, man, crossing these streets is fucking dangerous, y'all. You have to really be careful crossing these fucking streets because you could get hit at any moment. So, let's cross this road together, y'all. Look both ways. What they say, look both ways before you cross the street, y'all. Look both ways, Trent. Shit, when y'all give me that signal, I am out of here. All right, let's go. Nah, I'll plug it. I'll play it. Look, shawty on a motorcycle. Can I ride with you? Like, can I ride with her, bro? She on the motorcycle, bro. Oh, damn, bro. I want to get on the back, man. Bro. Look, we all not to mention, we can walk around with open containers. In America, I would have been locked up already 3 days ago. I would have been locked up 3 days ago in America trying to walk down the street with an open container, man. Let's go, man. Let's cross, man. We out of here. Let's go. We got my boy with the tuk-tuk van. What he selling?
Tuk-tuk.
He selling dead skin. He selling skin. Your boy selling skin on the goddamn tuk-tuk. We gonna walk, man. We gonna walk, hit the strip a little bit, and just give them the vibes, man. Just show them how I go down out here, man. Hopefully we can reach some locals or something.
I think we're on the better side than the other side.
Yeah, this side is kind of chill.
Like people over here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this side kind of chill, man. So, but yeah, man, we out here, man. Survive. 7-Eleven, you need something? You good?
I'm straight, man.
All right, let's get it.
We got 8 minutes in, please, dog.
Yep. You stuffed it.
We going about 10.
All right, we at
about 10 on
10 minutes. 10 minute Tevo. This side kind of dead, but this is the side where we ate dinner at earlier, bro. Going down this way, it's kind of chill.
Yeah.
Not too much going on. You don't gotta worry about girls grabbing your Johnsons and stuff like that. So, just the FYI, y'all, if y'all ever come out to Thailand, the only street where they grab your Johnsons on is, what street is that? Soy 6. Soy 6 is where they grab your Johnson. But we chilling right now. We just gonna vibe it out.
Yeah, like you don't like they grabbing your Johnson.
I mean, bro, it's cool, bro, but I'm a man, bro. Like, you can't. I feel like they too aggressive, brother. I'm supposed to be the one grabbing them. You feel me? Like, damn, hold up, shorty.
You don't want no woman to grope you?
Bro, I do, but goddamn, nigga, like on my time. Grope me on my time, not when you want to do it.
Oh, like here right there.
Yeah.
Hey, Sadamakasu.
That boy about hit me on that moped. I ain't gonna lie. So, hey, y'all, it's really dangerous on these streets, man. So you gotta pay attention to these mopeds and grabs and taxis and shit. No kizzy. You have to pay attention, or else you will get hit. You will get hit by a car. How you doing, my brother? You good? Hey, my boy good. You good too? You good? Hey, my boy good. We all good. You good? Somebody cop. Cannot. For some reason, y'all, nobody here like to be filmed. I don't know why, but shit, that's what make us famous. That's what make us.
I would love to be filmed.
That's what make us.
Camera for me, I would love it.
Right. That's the only way to.
Tevo tips?
Bro, that's the only way to get yourself out there, bro. I don't know what kind of mentality they have out here, but that's the only way to get yourself out there to the internet. How the hell are you gonna get rich or get on if you don't put on? You can't get on if you ain't putting on. Like, just make it make sense, bro.
So
make it make sense.
They cover their face up.
I don't know. I think because maybe they just see so much of it being that it's here. Shout out to my boy right here. He was ready to be on the camera. Let's go talk to them. Where you from, man?
From Russia, this long.
My boy is from Russia, man. Russia, yes, with love. Russia with love. Give me some. Give me some. I appreciate you, brother. How long you been here?
10 years.
10 years? Yeah. Damn. We just 2 weeks.
Yeah, my
we trying
friend sometimes 3 times, 5 times for 1 year come.
Nice. Man, so many girls.
Yeah.
So many girls. Good grief.
Yeah.
So many. Too many girls. I can't keep up with all of these girls, man. It's too many women.
Okay.
What's your name again, brother?
My name is Sergey.
Say it again. All right.
Yeah.
We appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, man. Yes, channel. The channel is Tapped In Tevo. Tapped In Tevo and Trend Genius. Definitely follow our channels, man. We just out here networking, y'all. We just out here networking, man. Network, increase your net worth. Network, net worth. Network, net worth.
First time in Thailand?
Yes,
Yes.
we live here now. We move here.
Yeah, you happy, my friend. When I come first time,
It's my brother,
uh-huh.
and then me.
When I come first time, my father go many time for Europe.
Europe.
And, yeah, but my home in Russia near China, Japan, and Korea.
Hey, pull it back up. I'm sorry.
Yeah, and I many time come to China, and my father called me maybe 1 year. Please come with me to Pattaya. Come with me to Pattaya. He come here from 1998 year.
1998.
Yeah, many time, and he called, please go with me for New Year.
So it's been like this since 1998.
Yeah, it's maybe 20 years before. 20 years before maybe. First time he with 1 year for me. Sergey, please go with me. I many times was in China for what?
I was a baby.
It's another planet.
It's so nice. It's so nice, man. 1998, I was a baby, brother. I was a baby. So, man, this is crazy. And I'm a grown man now. It's like the salute. I appreciate you, man, so much. Thank you for talking with us.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, man. Have a good night. Hey, this been going on. Yes.
Every night.
Got you. Thank you, boss. He say he been out here since 1998. I was a baby. I was a baby in 1998, bro. That just goes to show y'all how much clout or how much that Thailand got, man. Thailand, it don't even gotta promote itself. It promote itself from the people coming out here, bro, like us. Like, it don't even gotta promote nothing. That's crazy. 1998, I would have never guessed.
Tevo, tapped in. Why do you think you're out here?
Oh, I'm out here because it's like destiny, man. It's my destiny to be out here, man. And just like everything that I've been through in life has led up to this point for me to be here today. So it's on a deeper purpose, man. A lot of people not gonna really understand, so I don't want to get into too much details. But
Too much politics.
right, it's too much, yeah, for the moment right now. But they know. It's written in the stars, man, for us to be out here, man, doing this stuff. This ain't our journey. God chose this for us, man. At the end of the day. But y'all, look, that's it with me for right now. I'm gonna check in with y'all in a little bit. We're gonna probably hit the Walker Street, something like that. Get some more content with y'all. But hey, we will tap in next time. Thank y'all for checking us out, man.